Ready? Let's start.
Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. What is your name? My name is Doya. What's your name? My name is Murugan. How old are you? I am 11 years old. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What class are you in? I am in class 5. What class are you in? I am in class 5. Where are you going? I am going to home. Where are you going? I am going to school. Okay, bye. Nice to meet you. Okay, bye. Nice to meet you.
Very good. Okay, let's start.
Hi, hello. Hi, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine also. What's your name? My name is Shuchi. What's your name? My name is Sabiha. How old are you? I am 11 years old. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What class are you in? I am in class 5. What class are you in? I am in class 5. Where are you going? I am going to school. Where are you going? I am going to play football. Okay, bye. Nice to meet you. Okay, bye. Nice to meet you.